Hi everyone, Mimi's Murals here. Just finished another mural. This is a 2-day project. And as you can see, the subject matter is the red macaw. And it swings all the way over, covering 2 whole walls of this living room. There's going to be a large entertainment center here that takes up pretty much this entire wall, and we've measured down and given plenty of room for the new entertainment center to cover up the entire top here. So that'll be the tree top over the top of the entire entertainment center. These are really high up. I had to use a 6- and an 8-foot ladder to get up to these guys. So I'm going to try and show them to you as best I can. This one was really fun because I had to really investigate the the feather structure and the coloring to make sure to get them just right. And then let me show you the rest of this room. As you can see, this is the great room with really high ceilings. And somewhere there's a photo that I used. Oh, I was going to show it to you, but anyway, this was actually the whole hill with the cross on it was a Kincaid piece of artwork that Pauline asked me to replicate here. And there you have it. This was a 2-day, very long 2-day mural.